Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 50 power 10 by 25 power 5 is equals to what? Options are 5 power 5, 10 power 5, 10 power 10 or 2 power 2. So let's start with the today video solution. So 50 power 10 by 25 power 5. So 50 power 10 by 25 we can write it as 5 square whole power 5. According to exponent rule, a power m power n is equals to a power mn or a power n power m. So 50 power 10 by 5 power 2 times 5 is 10. Another exponent rule, x power m by y power m, we can write it as x by y whole power m. So 50 by 5 whole power 10. So 5 we divide it by 50, so we get 10 power 10. So our option is option number C, that is 10 power 10. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.